Got me a cake. I put happy birthday mommy on it. I bought the cake, but it's for my kids. You know, period. Oh, I got some of these cookies. Got some of these cookies. Y'all see. My yellow rice. Yes. My seasoned lemon beans. Just got a lot of juice in it. Like it with the juice. Tastes good. Put the juice on the rice. My macaroni and cheese. Yes. That be real cheese in my barbecue chicken. Yes. Everything is done. I cooked my birthday dinner, got my cake, got my ice cream in my freezer. I'm good. So, and I want to thank y'all again for wishing me a happy birthday. Okay? Peace. Yeah, but that's my birthday dinner I cooked. I got a cake today, got ice cream and the cookies. So, period.